Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You will not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 24th of June, 2025, our system has identified Rigetti Computing as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of 3.57%. This results in an average loss of 1.78% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned at the lower end of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $10.94 is breached, it will first indicate a slower rate of ascent, but may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of around 43% over the next 3 months, with a potential return between 41% and 103%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of approximately 114%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 88% to 417% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $20.88 and $57.44. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Rigetti Computing Inc. stock after losing 3.57%. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price fell by 3.57% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 8.98%, ranging from a low of $11.04 to a high of $12.03. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.33% during this period. Interestingly, volume fell on the last day, along with the stock, which is actually a positive sign as volume should follow the stock. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 28 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $315.03 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, while the lowest price was $0.66. Currently, the price stands at 48.23%, or $10.33, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the symbol RGTI, has garnered considerable attention recently, amid remarkable volatility in the quantum computing sector. On June 25th, analysts pinpointed RGTI as one of the top quantum stocks to watch, driven by the impressive double-digit price swings seen in the sector over recent months. However, mixed sentiment among experts poses risks as the market remains unpredictable. Analysts have raised concerns over RGTI's performance compared to peers, as the company recently reported a decline of more than 2.5%. With its share price at $11.06, the stock's recent dips contradict the growth trajectories of competitors like IonQ and D-Wave Quantum, which are achieving notable revenue gains. Investors should be mindful that Rigetti has been pursuing a quantum processing uni as a service strategy, intending to expand access to its Ankaa-2 system to generate near-term commercial traction. Yet the company continues to issue new shares, raising about $575 million in capital, which may dilute existing shareholders and impact long-term value. The combination of these factors will likely lead to heightened short-term volatility, as investors react to both the company's maneuvering and broader market trends. In the longer term, RGTI's ability to navigate competition and capitalize on innovative strategies will be crucial to establishing itself as a leading player in the quantum computing arena. As such, while the short-term outlook may be clouded, substantial growth potential exists if Rigetti can solidify its market position. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was noted that B. Riley also rated RGTI with a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, Craig Hallam reported a buy grade for RGTI along with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Needham issued a buy grade for RGTI with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, B. Riley again provided RGTI with a buy grade and an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio, similarly, as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Rigetti Computing, Incorporated, is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which contributes to a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators as the long-term average sits above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $11.35 and $11.69. A breakout above either of these thresholds would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by over 21%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot can be established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk since volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 172 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, recorded 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, identified 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, noted 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, observed 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $10.63. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and, with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 99 cents between its high and low, which represents an increase of 8.98%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.10%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let us quickly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on August 14, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing stands at $11.64. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might serve as a viable point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Rigetti Computing meets its first support level at $10.63. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On June 12, 2025, Fitzgerald Alyssa conducted an insider purchase of 77,284 shares of common stock. On June 11, 2025, Clifton Michael S. conducted an insider purchase of 25,000 shares of warrants, which grant the right to buy. On June 10, 2025, Iannotti Thomas J. conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On June 10, 2025, Johnson Ray O. conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On June 10, 2025, Sanford Helene Gale conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for the stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Rigetti Computing stock of good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. stock shows several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing Inc. may perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of June, we expect Rigetti Computing to open higher by approximately 296 ten-thousandths of a dollar and start trading at $11.39. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock market. Do you agree or disagree? Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.